Hi, this is Neil, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the oil change light on a 2010 to a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. So first and foremost, place your keys in. And now, press and hold the trip odometer button. And now turn your keys so that it is in the on position, but do not start the engine. And now you're going to see a prompt on the screen that says, do you really want to reset all change service? I'll press OK. And on the screen will say service reset. And now you won't need to do it again for another 10,000 miles or about 1 year, depending on which one comes first. And that's what I'm going to show you today. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you have any comments, questions, or maybe any compliments, make sure to type them in the comments below. Don't be shy, and bye! See you in the next video.